Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest beauty products with real, honest insights to help you make the best choices for your routine. If you're struggling with lashes that don't quite hit the mark, this one's for you. Today, I'm reviewing the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara Primer Base and Telescopic Original Lengthening Mascara, both designed to give your lashes that voluminous, lengthened look without the hassle of false lashes or heavy layers. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss out on an honest review from Beautyistic. Let's get into it. L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer is formulated to thicken lashes, giving them a voluminous boost while enhancing the performance of your mascara. This soft pink-tinted primer contains chamomile extract and vitamin E, both known for their calming and nourishing properties, which makes it a great choice for those with sensitive eyes or those who wear contacts. The primer helps to define and separate lashes while offering a smooth base for mascara. The formula is 99% natural origin, which means you're getting a more natural option without compromising performance. Now for the Telescopic Original Lengthening Mascara. This product takes lengthening to a whole new level. L'Oreal claims it can lengthen lashes by up to 60%, and I can say the results are impressive. The carbon black pigments give a deep, intense color that adds drama without clumping. The wand is designed with precision, with a flexible brush that allows you to coat each lash individually, building up volume and length without that heavy, spidery effect. I've been using both of these products together for the past few weeks, and here's how they performed in my everyday routine. The primer is lightweight and smooth, applying evenly without feeling heavy or sticky, which can sometimes be a concern with lash primers. It does its job well, making the mascara go on much smoother and last longer throughout the day. After applying the primer, the telescopic mascara went on effortlessly, and I immediately noticed the dramatic lengthening effect. My lashes look noticeably longer, with a more defined, fanned-out look, which is exactly what I aim for in a mascara. The carbon black pigments also deliver a deep, rich color that doesn't fade or smudge throughout the day. As for the downsides, I did experience a tiny bit of flaking with the mascara towards the end of a long day, but it wasn't anything that took away from the overall performance. I also wish the primer offered just a bit more volume to match its volumizing claim, but it certainly helps enhance the mascara's overall look. Pros: the mascara lengthens lashes dramatically, offering up to 60% more length. The primer contains nourishing ingredients like chamomile and vitamin E, making it great for sensitive eyes. Both products are easy to apply and feel lightweight, even after multiple coats. The mascara is highly pigmented, providing rich, deep black color. Cons: there is minor flaking by the end of the day. The primer could offer more volume. It's more of a base than a volumizing product on its own. A little more buildup is required for maximum volume. Is this review helping you out? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this set, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value for money, both of these products are priced reasonably for their performance. The primer is perfect for those who need a smooth base to extend the wear of their mascara, and the telescopic mascara stands out in terms of lengthening and definition. Overall, you're getting a good deal for both the quality and effectiveness of these products. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, there are some great budget-friendly options on the market, though none that provide quite the same precision and lengthening effect as the telescopic mascara. Some drugstore brands have come close, but I've yet to find a dupe that gives the same level of intensity without clumping. I've been impressed by how well these products work together, especially for achieving that fanned-out, lifted lash look that stays put all day. Both products live up to their claims in terms of lengthening, and the primer is a solid addition for those wanting to boost their mascara's performance. If you're someone who loves a dramatic, lengthened lash without the need for falsies, these products will likely become a staple in your beauty routine. Thanks for tuning in. If you've tried these products, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.